hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, Friday again proved its unpredictability. Gold hits all-time high. Gold trades at record high on firming expectations for US interest rate cuts. This is the market sentiment, and you must be knowing that yesterday gold broke 2500. For the last couple of days, market was struggling around 2474, 2480 area. And we discussed also that market has already tested a level many times. There's a high chance of either stop loss hunting or market breaking the level and going up. And finally, we got the move we all have been waiting for. Ultimately, market closed at 2508, and this is the current market price. So, my dear friend, if you are having a buy on gold right now, okay, sit on your buy because there is no sign of retracement or big correction right now. There is further possibility of upside. So what is the market sentiment on gold right now? Market sentiment is bullish. So as a positional trader or swing trader, if you have a buy, be on the buy position. And if you're a day trader, if you're looking for fresh positions in the market, then also you should be looking for buy positions only, respecting the ongoing market sentiment and the trend of the market. And my reference, before I proceed, I need to share a good news. And the good news is FastBull is organizing a trading contest. The registration has already started. In just 2 days, more than 3,300 participants have registered. The contest will start from 15 October. It will end on 31st October. Please register yourself before the registration ends. Okay, and the best news is, okay, it's free of cost, but you will get rewards. You can see the first prize is 10,000 US dollar, for second prize is 5,000 US dollars, third prize is 3,000 US dollars. Total reward is 22,500 US dollars. So feel free to register yourself. The rules are pretty simple. You just go to rules section. You will see that after you register yourself, you will get an account of 100,000 US dollars with a leverage of 1:400. Okay, all the rules are mentioned here. Okay, rules are pretty simple. There is only one criteria, and the criteria is you need to be above 18 years of age. If you're 18, then feel free to sign up before the registration ends. The link is in the description and the comment section. Okay, let's discuss about gold now. So gold is bullish both fundamentally and technically. So it is better for us to be on the buy side. So the market opening is going to be important because after the market opening, either gold will be showing correction or gold will be going up. Only these two possibilities. Chances of market going for a trend reversal is very less right now because we do not have any news yet. During the weekend, if any news comes out, that's a different chapter. But while recording this video, I do not have any news. So you can expect the ongoing market sentiment to dominate the coming week. Okay. So my dear friends, if you see market is coming down, okay, market is coming down for retracement. Okay, no need to worry. If you have already buy position, hold your buy position. But as a day trader, if you are looking for fresh positions in the market, then it will be better and safer for you to enter at retracement. Where we can look for retracement, the first level where we can look for retracement is around 2495 to 2491. Around this particular area we can look for retracement. Why? Because you can see this level has been worked as a little resistance. So from price action perspective, we can expect the previous resistance to work as support. So once market will enter the zone, switch to a lower time frame like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, just observe the market behavior. Once you will see that after entering the zone, market is forming small candles, market is forming showing price rejection from below, just hit the buy button with your stop loss around 2487, 2488 area. Okay, and then be on the buy position. Okay, but in case after the market opening we get to see some big red candles, in that case this level may not work because it's a minor level, and you can look for buy around this area, the big resistance of 2484 area. Okay, around 2484 to 2475, this big zone will be working as the support. So this is our support 1 and this is our support 2, where we can look for buy at retracement if market comes down after the market opening. And if you already have a buy, be on the buy position. Apart from price action perspective, okay, if I draw my beloved FIBO here, okay, then we can see that we also have FIBO 23.6% retracement level around this particular area. So we can expect this to provide support to the market if market comes for retracement. And around 2480, you can see apart from the previous resistance acting as support, okay, we also have FIBO 38.2% retracement level at 2480 area. Okay, so if market comes for retracement, then obviously we can expect some support. Okay, and if you are stuck in a sell right now, you need to be extra careful, because if market continues the upside, you may lose your capital. Okay, see, I understand when we get a reversal after a trend in the market, okay, it is very exciting, but in most of the cases we also blow our accounts. So please be careful if you, and try to exit. Okay, try to exit as soon as possible, okay, when the market opens. And after the market opening, if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously, okay, we cannot help it. Okay, it's not in our hand. Okay, then we can look for buy at breakout, means we can look for a buy above 2510 if market breaks the level here. But keep in mind, buying at breakout is risky because already market is standing at the high here. At one point after 40-50 pips, obviously market will be coming down for retracement. That is a safer entry. So that this is our best area to enter. But if market doesn't come, okay, we cannot help it. So if you enter above 2510, be careful. After 40-50 pips, try to book your profit, because let the market come down again. That will be a better entry. Because if you look at the market on higher time frame, for example, it's a weekly time frame, we all know, okay, market did not come to our level of 2100, 2200. Millions of traders around the world were waiting for the correction. It did not happen, so we can't help it. If we look at the daily chart, okay, on the daily also we can see market is at a high right now. Okay, there is a retracement is due. Okay, on the 4 hours time frame also we can see the market is standing at the top. So ideally this is not the level where you should be entering. So buying at breakout is risky in comparison to buy at retracement. So market opening is going to be important, and stay in touch with the news. Okay, if any news comes out, okay, and it points out that there is a geopolitical tension, listen to me carefully. If any news comes out and it points out about the geopolitical tension, then market will not come for retracement. For example, any war scenario, okay, war scenario comes out, or any news regarding war comes out, कोई भी वॉर के रिगार्डिंग न्यूज आता है ना, मार्केट रिट्रेसमेंट के लिए नहीं आएगा. मार्केट विल नॉट कम फॉर रिट्रेसमेंट एंड यू कैन इजीली गो फॉर बाय एट ब्रेकआउट. But if the same market sentiment remains, no news comes out, then it is better and safer for us to enter at retracement. Let's see, market opening will be important. I will be updating you on Monday. And please register yourself for the free contest, but yes, for the cash rewards. Okay, so feel free to check out the contest. The rules are pretty simple. Okay, but yes, you may also win these big rewards. Okay, bye bye, take care.